What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here. Doing another update on the channel because why the hell not? So I've been saying, hey, a little bit more unboxing stuff like that. Obviously another unboxing here. And yes, your boy is neon gloved up because I've been working. So as I've been saying, we're going to try to make this transition from opening these boxes to installing. So y'all know what I do. Cut the box open to make it easier for the video. Let's just go ahead and get it open because we've seen this again. But y'all know how I do, man. Anytime I do a build, I like to take y'all along for the journey if you want to take a ride with me. If not, I do this for personal reasons so I can look back on things of years past. Like I always say, sometimes I will use my my own videos for reference to see what I could have done different, what I could have done better, man. So let's go ahead and get this open. Like I said, no surprise there. Boom. Some more of those nice little wave guides. Now that I'm doing this video, I'm thinking I probably should have did the other video first and then put this in here, man. But maybe this will kind of let you know what's coming up next as far as the next video. So now we're looking at a total of 4 of these wave guides. Grab the other 2. These I unboxed a while ago. So like I said, now we got a total of 4. So this is these 2 are the old ones. Clearly, these 2 are the new ones. So once again, 2 more wave guides, obviously black. Let's get those out of the way. And boom. Right there, we got more of the Forte speakers, man. So let me get that out. Move that out the way. All right, so now I guess let's do this. You can see I got 2 Forte speakers right here in front of you. I got a speaker pod with 2 of the Forte speakers already situated. Obviously, I got another speaker pod up over there with 2 more of those PRV Forte speakers that are situated inside the pods, man. So, like I said, man, clearly there's going to be more stuff coming up. Just doing another unboxing because, like I said, why the hell not, man? So right now, y'all seeing a total of 6 Forte speakers. Like I said, 1, 2 brand new, those 2 back there, and then like I said, I got 2 up over in the corner over there, man. So trying to get a little loud, man. This is my first time actually going ahead and following through with a PRV build. I don't know, you still don't know if I said that right. PRV build. So right now, we're looking at a total of 6 speakers, so we'll see what's up with that, man. I know this is kind of a quick one. Like I said, I'm just doing this unboxing. Like I said, why the hell not? Maybe we'll get around as far as showing videos of installation. I don't know if that'll happen today, but I'm trying to do my best to get some things moving around, man. So, and I can't remember what I seen last time I looked at my channel. Still got that giveaway going, man. Let's see, I'll try to move this stuff out of the way. Brand new. I went ahead and took this Sky High car audio fuse out just to make sure y'all see the thing is brand new. She hasn't been used, so like I said, when I did the video, it's got some overspray. Who cares about this package? Because I'm pretty sure you'll be throwing that out. But brand spanking new fuse holder. All these stickers, the little PRV keychain, cup warmer, can holder, whatever the hell. You get Jack's shirt, the DS18 BX or BD X43 speakers. They're down for sound lanyard, neon green, and a fudge ton of heat shrink, and also this PRV wristband, man. So make sure y'all get in on that giveaway, man. Why the hell not? You know, so I'll probably go ahead and link that video in the description of this one because I don't want to get to saying something like, oh man, this is all you got to do, this is all what's got to happen, and then it throws the whole thing off, man. So got some more speakers in, got the gloves on, about to get out here and do some more installing, man. And like I said, I'll link the this here in the description so y'all can get in on this giveaway, man. This stuff is brand spanking new, so take advantage of it, man. So y'all know the deal. Any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and hit me up. And y'all know what it is, 2021. If your mirrors ain't shaking, damn it, you got taken, man. So stick around, man. And I would do the same because, you know, I always say, it's your boy, Young Dub. And always come with something different like this right here. Y'all have a good weekend. I'm out of here.